Although 2025 Kenworth Motorhome refers to third-party custom conversions, Kenworth does not formally produce motorhomes. There are certain similar aspects that may be noticed. However, the outside will vary widely based on the owner's choices and the body firm. Most likely, the imposing cab form with the big grille and the recognizable Kenworth emblem will remain. Frequently used bases are the T68 or W90 versions. For a more customized motorhome appearance, some conversions will acquire bespoke paint and graphics, while others may keep the colors and livery of the Kenworth truck. It's possible that the standard Kenworth truck headlights, turn signals, and auxiliary lights will be kept or replaced with more contemporary LED lighting. The truck will still have its original tires and wheels, maybe with more ostentatious rims or wheel covers. The inclusion of a living area module behind the cab is the most important change. These modules will come in a wide range of forms, from basic box shapes to more aerodynamic styles with slide-outs to increase the available capacity. A separate entry to the living area, as well as the installation of sizable side and back windows for ventilation and natural light. Extra outside spaces to store camping supplies, equipment, and other possessions. More side and back cameras to help with parking and maneuvering. AC units on roofs in hot weather. Rooftop air conditioners will be essential for comfort. The inside will have enough of room for a huge commercial vehicle base. A living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom are just a few of the distinct functional spaces that are probably going to be included in the plan. The owner and the body firm will collaborate to design a unique arrangement. High-quality materials will be provided as standard. These might consist of premium leather upholstery for couches and chairs, richly finished hardwood cabinets, countertops composed of sophisticated solid surface materials or real stone, plush carpets, porcelain tile, or hardwood flooring, ornamental paneling or upholstery on the walls and ceilings. A full-size refrigerator, gas or induction stove, convection oven, microwave, dishwasher, and potentially a wine cooler or ice maker are among the upscale stainless steel appliances in the fully furnished kitchen. Cozy eating space with soft chairs and a table. Big, cozy leather couches and chairs, sometimes with massaging or reclining capabilities. Multimedia connectivity, surround sound, and a huge flat-screen TV are features of this cutting-edge entertainment system. Using a touchscreen or smart app, a central control system is integrated to handle the motorhome's lighting, heating, audio-video, security, and other features. A huge closet with lots of storage space, a fine king or queen-size bed, and maybe a dressing area or modest sitting area are all features of the roomy master bedroom. LED lighting system with color and intensity adjustments to create various moods. Ample storage space. The inside is thoughtfully constructed with cabinets, drawers, and storage sections to hold baggage and travel accessories. Additional facilities like an electric fireplace, bar, tiny office, or even a small garage to hold a vehicle or motorcycle may be included in some luxury conversions.